Hello, friends. So, today we will start a new chapter, The Old Clock Shop. So, there was the time of Christmas Eve, and the last minute, all the shoppers were going home now. But yet, lights were still burning in the old clock shop where Ray, its old and deaf owner, was working on the clock which he sold that day. All of a sudden, Ray just stood there on the door of his shop and he can face the cold rush of the air which is coming from the front door and hitting the back of his neck. He came inside again and just finishing the work. All of a sudden, he met a last minute shopper. His old eyes was telling to him that this man is not a shopper. He saw two men around the age of 20s and a closer one about 50 there outside the road, and the younger man remained at the door and the older man came inside, and he was having no sign of friendliness over his face or in his eyes. Ray was able to hide his growing fear. Ray was also fearful because maybe they were the attackers, maybe they are there to kill him, maybe they are there to loot the money of the shop. So he is a little bit fearful also. He slowly pushed a notepad and a pencil because we know that he can't able to hear. He is a deaf. So everybody is just writing whatsoever he want to buy from the shop. He write on a notepad. He smiled at unfriendly face. The man was not friendly, but yes, he smiled him and given his notepad, and he said that he can't able to hear. Then this man completely changed, and then what happened? He said something to his friend. Now this man, when Ray given him the notepad, this man now smiled. Ray written on it that how can I help you? What do you want? This man and his friend looking to each other and they were smiling. This Ray noticed that there was a gun which is inside in his pocket. He was he was so much surprised. He fulfilled with all the anger, but he can't react at that time. His inner voice was saying to him to be still, to be calm. Then he wrote his another message and he said, have you come to pick up a clock or a watch? Then he pointed his finger to this clock on which he was working. Then this man, he showed his watch to the Ray, and he want some money in return of that watch. He wants some money from Ray. But Ray smiled and he knows that this watch is not very much good. Yeah, it's sturdy but not that much valuable. So he wrote on his notepad that whatsoever the worth will be, I will give to you. The man removed the watch and put it on the table, and the other man outside of the shop, he was looking that how much money he will give to him. For this watch, the Ray given him 50 pounds. They both were very much happy because he know that this much amount is very much. It's not the worth of the watch for 50 pounds. And they were smiling, and also before leaving the shop, he wrote on his notepad, Merry Christmas, and he will come soon. He will pay back the money and he can take this watch again. It is a simple story which ended here. It is just telling that you should be kind, you should be good to everyone. Maybe your kindness, your goodness is going to change other person's mind. We know that these two people were there in the shop to loot the money, to steal the money from the shopkeeper. But when they saw this man is not able to listen, he is already in the bad condition, he is using notepad to talk with the outsider, they just changed their mind and they decided that they will sell their clock, their wristwatch, and they will get some money in return of it. And the shopkeeper also given them, the both of the person, more money instead of the worth of the watch. He had given more money to them. They were also happy, they happily leave the shop, and there was no nothing, the scenario created of fight and dispute. So love can change everything. So this was the small chapter. I hope the story you like and it is clear to you. Thank you.